This is 6 pounds of food right here.
Are you seeing that? Right. The ripe one. I'm not seeing any more on this one either.
Hi guys, we're gonna do a harvesting video today. Welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. Let's see what we can harvest today. Today is August 11th, 2024. So come along with us. Guys, this is a type of squash, but I'm not sure what type it is. I'm going to do a test of the tendril. Yes, it's brown, so it's ready to be picked. It was brown from last week, so I'm going to harvest this one. I'm going to cut it about right here. Oh, it's pretty heavy. All right, guys, this is pretty heavy, very heavy. All right, so I cut this length here, about this length, so we can store it and it doesn't spoil easily. All right, so when you want to cut it, don't cut it off the vine to here because you won't get a proper storage from the pumpkin or squash, whatever this is. But let's see, it's pretty heavy, so let's see how much this weighs. All right, guys, so this is little over 3 kilograms. This is over 6 pounds. All right, the scale is not working so well, so it's too big for the scale, that is. So I keep on toppling over. But it's little over 3 kilograms, so that is over 6 pounds. I need to get another scale, like a proper food scale. All right. So this is what you can grow from your own backyard. This is 6 pounds of food right here. Right here, just like that. 6 pounds of food, just like that. And this can add to your dinner. Oh, this is touching me. Not a lizard, Stacy. All right. So 6 pounds of food right here. All right, let's go and get something else. All right, guys, I'm going to harvest these cantaloupes because they're going to seed. And I'm taking them before they get attacked by the bugs, so they can add to something. All right, so here's another set, still going to seed. So I'm just taking the leaves. All right, so this is a red Russian kale, just taking the outer leaves. This is what you can harvest from your own backyard garden. And if you start with one container, you don't really have to go to the supermarket that often. All right, so what I'm doing now is to harvest the outer leaves and leave the middle so that it can regrow. This one is looking bad, so I'm going to leave it. Take it off and compost in place. Take this one off and compost in place as well. Alright, so this is a pak choy. I'm going to harvest it. And we just got rain, so the garden is loving it and we're also loving that. So I'm just going to take it. All of it. Take off this bad leaf. That bad leaf is removed and compost in place. Alright, I do see a scotch bonnet pepper, so I'm just going to take the ripe one. I'm not seeing any more on this one either. Alright, so just one scotch for now. And these are all grown in a container, just like that. Okay, we have more callaloo here. Alright guys, look at this. cauliflower is growing nicely. Are you seeing that? Right, first time ever growing cauliflower. That's a good feeling. And the others are coming up in this one as well. And the ones over there. So yeah, so we'll be having some cauliflower. I'm not sure how long this will take to grow, but pretty soon we'll have some cauliflower to harvest. All right, this is a suyo long cucumber. Wasn't pollinated properly. The outer skin spiky. It is so spiky. All right, so this is one, and there's another baby one coming up here. The leaves are not looking so pretty, but hopefully we can get one more from it. All right, so this cucumber is an English cucumber, not Passanda F1 cucumber. It's in a bag because you know the pest will do a number on it. So let me just get it. And there are others on it. So this is the best cucumber that works for us. So there are others on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me take it out of the bag so you can see it. There you go. All right. All right, just taking off some habanero from the plant. Not a lot because most of them are still green. But as you can see, look at this guy, it's so prolific, so prolific. All right, so we do have the Habanada, the heatless habanero as a seedling. So hopefully they will be prolific as this plant. We have 2 seedlings. So I hope they will be prolific as the habanero plants. I think I'll just take these for now and leave the others. They're blushing, but I'll leave them on the vine or on the tree to become a little bit redder. All right, so I'm taking these 3. Okay, there's a pepper there. I'm not sure if I can reach it. Wow. All right, there you go. The others are blushing. Oh, there's one other red one there. Pretty, ain't it? So this is another habanero plant. And look at the amount of peppers on it, guys. Look, 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 look. And notice I don't see any peppers in the supermarket, but we do have peppers in our garden. So that's why we're encouraging you to start that garden 1 container at a time. Okay, the harvest bowl is almost full or full. All right, so I'm gonna get a beetroot and that's it. This is lovely. Just from our own backyard garden, all of this food. Right, so guys, what are you waiting on to start that garden, right? All right, so guys, I'm going to harvest this beetroot. As you can see, the leaves are well damaged. Hopefully there's something in it on it. All right, not bad, not looking bad. So this can be mixed with beet and carrot salad, just that. Beetroot and carrot salad, and that is so perfect. With your dressing, any dressing of your choice. All right, so first beetroot for the season. I mean, we just had some rain and out here is so humid. I'm sweating just to harvest this food. But this is what you can harvest from your own backyard garden. Over 6 pounds of food just today, August 11, 2024. Isn't that lovely? So if you haven't started that garden, please do so. One container at a time. I tell you, the food prices are up there, and there are no peppers in the supermarket. Tomatoes are going for over $800 a pound, Jamaican dollars. And so do start that garden one container at a time. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.